All right. Mic check. Where's this at? Okay. Where's this at? 4.0? That's fine. That works. Hey guys, this is Alexis, Sophie Leather. Hope you guys are doing well. This video is just a quick mid-week update on what's going on in my shop. This week is officially the first week I've gotten back into the shop and started working a little bit more. It's going to take me a while to get everything situated and ready to take orders, but that's relatively soon, a couple weeks, and I'll be ready to take orders. That being said, I worked diligently hard to get this Firefighter tool belt pattern and build along video done, which is, it's already done. I made the video, I uploaded it, it's ready to go. If you want to access that now, which I encourage you to do because it's on sale until Friday or Saturday, I encourage you to do that. I'll put a link in the description, sophieleather.com. Go to patterns and you'll see in the patterns, Firefighter patterns, you'll see a Firefighter tool belt pattern and build along video. The video is unlisted, meaning it's not public, but you're still able to access it through my website. But come this Friday, it's going to be full price. Speaking of price, perfect segue into something else I want to talk about. In the course of acquiring supplies and getting my hardware, everything I need to get going again, I've noticed that prices have gone up just on raw material, on leather, on hardware, a significant amount. That is going to reflect on my pricing of my products. So I haven't really done that yet. I've done the initial legwork of just aggregating all the pricing and have a spreadsheet and man hours worked and all that. All that to say is that the prices are gonna, out of necessity, be a little bit more expensive than previously when I start offering custom work. Speaking of taking orders, I'm still mulling over a queue system. In other words, if somebody orders a product, I would like for them to just access my website without having to contact me directly in order to see what place are they in the queue, where they're at as far as lead time. And this is what I come up with so far. I'm probably going to manually put up the order numbers that I'm currently working on for the week. So when you buy something, it gives you a purchase order or invoice number, and I'm simply going to put on top of my website the currently working on order number, so 100 through 104, something like that. This way you know at least where you're at, close to. If you're order number 110, you can kind of extrapolate that you're probably a couple weeks out. Something similar to that. I'm not sure. I'm still ironing out the wrinkles. However, the problem with that is, I'm getting long-winded here, but the problem with that is that my digital patterns are also included in those invoice numbers, and I can't really separate that on the back end of my website. In other words, I might have like 15 digital orders that come in a day, and those are instantaneous. So if you order a custom suspender and you're order number 100, and I have 15 digital downloads, the next custom order is going to be a number 116. And if I put on there simply order number 100 I'm working on, and you're number 116, you're going to probably assume that there's 15 other custom orders when truly there's only one before you. So I don't know how I'm going to work through that. Maybe I'll just leave a generic, lead time and just deal with it. That's what I've been doing before. It wasn't really a problem, but I'm trying to get kind of cheeky with this stuff a little bit. So that being said, before I can actually take orders, I'm waiting for some more supplies. Also, I'm trying to iron out the pricing a little bit on the website. I'm going to make a couple of changes on the website. So I'm looking at about a week or between 1 or 3 weeks before I can actually start taking custom orders. But before that, I am probably going to make, I'm going to use this. This is a Herman Oak English Bridle in Havana, and I have enough here to possibly make, I don't know, anywhere between 8 to 12 chin straps. So what do you guys think if I just make, I don't know, 10 to 12 chin straps and just put it out for sale in the next couple weeks? That's what I'm thinking about doing. And let me know in the comments below if that's a good idea, if you guys would be interested in a chin strap. And I could knock these out fairly quickly. The other thing too is, in the course of that, maybe make a video, like a build-along video. Not a build-along video, but just a build video where there's no commentary, no talking, just almost like an ASMR. Something very similar I did when I first started the channel. I just built stuff, no talking, just leather working. I might do that with a couple of chin straps or something like that. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about that. I hope you're having a good day. God bless you. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.